It's fun because you just bring it out. Woo! Most likely the last ride of the day here. We're on a Beta 125RR race edition. So we'll see how this goes.
Hold on a minute.
All right. So I just got off the X trainer. This thing is vastly different. You really have to. You gotta twist the throttle to get this thing to go. So far, just like all the betas, man, this thing is crazy easy to ride. Whoa! Very nimble. The steering actually is a bit more, I don't know how to say it. It's more planted. It's definitely less maneuverable than I would say like the 4-strokes or even the X trainer. It looks like it wants to track straight, which is good. But in like tighter terrain, I can see it being a little bit different than something that's a little bit more trail oriented. Obviously, this is a race bike, so it's meant more for racing and not so much for the tight technical stuff. Let's get into the. It's actually relatively difficult to break the back tire loose. Something that's been pretty easy to do on the other bikes today. There we go. I don't really ride 2-strokes. This is a very different experience. Aside from the fact that it's not as, quick on the turning as some of the other more enduro-oriented models, trail-oriented models. Surprisingly easy to maneuver. Woo! Suspension's definitely on the harsher side. It's fun though. This thing's fun. Alright, we're coming up on the awkward turn here. likes to be revved, and it definitely takes a bit to get it up to speed. Let's see how it does it here in the sand. It takes a bit for it to get going, but hitting those whoops with this more race-oriented suspension. It's fun because you just ring it out. Woo! Oh. Loses a little bit going up the hills in the higher gears. There's the X trainer that I was riding previously. You can definitely tell this bike is much more designed to be ridden fast. Woo. Yeah, the suspension's a bit harsh at the higher speeds, or at the lower speeds, I mean. But overall, it's pretty fun. Very cool. Never ridden a race bike before. Yeah, race edition?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard to find neutral in these things, so it's in gear right now. Got it?
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe to see more adventures just like this one. For information about my riding gear or the various ways you can help support the channel, please check out the links below or head over to www.eachadventure.com. I'll see you in the next one.